Hi everyone, have a pleasant day to all of you. Today I'll introduce to you an eyeglasses from Ideal Vision that will help to take good care of your eyes. Before that, I want to share to you something. Before, I thought that only those with eye problems should wear an eyeglasses. But since we're all exposed to gadgets, especially now that there's a pandemic and most of us are only staying at home, and the only thing we can do to be productive is work and study at home by using gadgets and internet, we need to learn how to take good care of our eyes. So we should protect our eyes from harmful blue light. There's a good kind of blue light, but the bad ones can lead to a digital vision syndrome which causes eye strains and other eye problems. To prevent that, I wear a pair of eyeglasses with blue shield lenses that will lessen eye strains. So I highly recommend this to you because every frame you purchase, you can get free blue shield lenses, and I assure you that you will not regret purchasing these. So what are you waiting for? Get yours now and check Ideal Vision on www.idealvision.ph for more details. God bless everyone. Bye!
One, two, one, two.